The Q3 Marketing Kit is a fresh, convenient tool designed for independent grocers. After an overwhelmingly positive response from retailers and shoppers to the Q2 Marketing Kit, we have designed the next installment as a customizable experience for each store. With options like Spanish and English, custom links to your local ad and e-commerce website, and IGA branded or non-branded content, you will be able to choose the solution that works best for you at no additional cost. Each kit includes matching digital graphics for your social media and web platforms. At just $500 per quarter, you can provide a fresh new look to your store, boost sales, boost shopper interest, and provide multiple opportunities for shoppers to engage with you online. Join the hundreds of stores taking advantage of the IGA Quarterly Marketing Kit and sign up today.